Hi everybody, this is Angel and it's showering, it's raining, and I'm walking without an umbrella. I'm walking back home now and I just want to quickly show you around Tinshuay um, vicinities and sceneries. Not very exciting though, all you can find are actually tall residential buildings. So let's see. I walked from school and it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon now. It's not really a long distance from where I live, but I still, if I have a choice, there's actually more schools closer to where I live. So everywhere is just surrounded by residential buildings. These ones here on my right are privately owned, but many here in Tinshuay are government estates. I think from Central it will take you around 1 hour bus ride from here going to Central or Chimsachoy. So here is the bus stop from going to Central. And then we have a nearby welcome store on my left, and again more government estates. And the building right there at the corner on my right is where I am residing. It's a 20-minute walk from school. And that's a nice park over there. There's a nice 7-Eleven at the corner. And as I said, welcome supermarket. Nothing much happened today. Just wake up early, went to school, work for the whole day, and I have no plans after school, so decided to just go home straight. And besides, it's raining. Me walking under the rain without umbrella. This is where I get my sushi and my laundry. Also, there's little Manning's drugstore over there. And see, this is what I'm saying. There's actually a school here just across my building. So if I can still find a school closer to my home, that will be really perfect. So I'm gonna cross the road now and take you much closer to my place. There's more residential buildings everywhere. And there's the school that I am eyeing for a year now. There's my building, Tower 1. I'm nearly there. So, alright guys, thank you all for watching. You'll see me wet and with spots on my eyeglasses.